Ever wonder why your espresso doesn't taste quite as fresh as the day you bought your JURA machine? The secret isn't just the coffee beans, it's how clean your machine stays. Our precision dual-cycle cleaning tablets are designed specifically to maintain your JURA espresso maker's performance, ensuring every cup bursts with the rich, pure flavor you expect. With 3.5 grams of cleaning power packed into each tablet, these aren't your average cleaning agents. They're engineered for deep, effective cleansing that keeps your machine running smoothly. I've been using these tablets on my JURA Ena Micro 9 for over a year, cleaning it about once a month. What's impressed me most is how they tackle the oily buildup inside the machine, which otherwise dulls the espresso's flavor and clogs the system. Skipping cleaning even for a couple of months showed me firsthand how quickly taste and performance can drop. But a few cleaning cycles with these tablets brought everything back to perfect. Unlike smaller 1-gram tablets, these deliver enough cleaning agent to withstand the pressure of the cleaning cycle, protecting your machine's parts without causing any wear. That's a big deal when you want your investment to last. Here's what you get: a cleaning tablet that fits all JURA models, including Capresso, Ena, Impressa series, and offers a deep clean that removes buildup, seals your machine against future residue, and keeps every espresso tasting fresh and pure. Plus, these tablets come at a fraction of the cost of name-brand options, without sacrificing quality or effectiveness. They're not descaling tablets, but they work just as well to maintain your machine's hygiene. If you're serious about your espresso, this is worth a look. And if you're not completely satisfied, there's a 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Try it when you're ready to taste the difference in every cup.